How to cancel Copy.ai subscription online. Very first thing that you need to do is simply get onto your Copy.ai on any of your browser, or you can use the application version if you want. It's up to you. Just make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after making sure that you are, simply tap on login here and simply make sure you're logged into account, add in all of your credentials. And then from here, when you are logged into account, you'll actually be getting into the dashboard. Then from here, you can actually tap on the menu bar right here on the top right corner. Here, you'll be able to see your account. Tap on account, and then from your account, you'll actually be able to get into the billing, right? What you're going to do is simply tap on that option billing when you do have your Copy.ai subscription. And after tapping on billing, simply scroll all the way down. You'll actually be able to see your cancel subscription on the very bottom of the page. Tap on cancel subscription, then you'll be able to follow all of the prompt on screen and then confirm your choice. And after confirming your choice, just like that, you'll actually be able to cancel all of your Copy.ai subscription online. And that is it.